Welcome to our Snooze News. Today we are actually airing this in time for Valentine's Day, which is one of my favorite holidays because usually I get flowers and dinner. And what do you give Mom?
Nothing. Her life is Valentine's Day every single day.
He actually does say that, which I love. He's like, I'm not going to make you feel special on this day and then not make you feel special every other day.
Exactly right.
Yeah, but that's not the meat of the subject. Basically,
Meat of the subject. Wow.
I'm really stressed out right now.
Yes, I see that. Go ahead. Keep talking. This is going to be our best one yet.
No, so today we're going to talk about why sleep is super important for your interpersonal relationship.
Interpersonal relationship, because you do not want to hurt your
Interpersonal relationship. No, but it's important because it's important for the father-daughter relationship.
Yes.
It's important for your coworkers, but it's especially important for your spouse or your girlfriend or boyfriend. So why is sleep important for your relationship? Sleep doctor.
Well, think about it. You don't sleep well. You get up, you're grouchy.
It's true.
Right? Then you come and you say, it's Valentine's Day. I want you to buy me some chocolates and... Exactly right. Now, had I slept good, I would have said, okay.
Mm-hmm.
The truth of the matter is, it's like we've said all the time. If you don't sleep well, you don't feel good when you get up. You're tired. I mean, everybody knows, can relate to, at the end of the day when they come home or whatever and they're tired. People that have children at home, it's a non-stop thing. And by the time, let's say, the kids go to bed, you're just kind of, boom, you're
worn
laid out. You're worn out, right? All right, so imagine that's what you feel physically, not necessarily mentally, but physically when you get out of bed in the morning, and then immediately your mental attitude catches up with your physical attitude, and then the day goes, well, it doesn't go well.
Yeah.
Right? You ever seen somebody in the morning, don't point at me, and you tell them good morning, how are you, and they look at you like they want to bite your head? Well,
Yeah.
I always sleep good. I want to bite your head for different reasons.
But you
that's
become
not the point.
irritable.
Yeah, you're not happy. And by the way, physically you don't feel well.
Yeah.
People that are extremely tired, I want you to imagine this, okay? Let's do it this way. Imagine a glass, all right? And every day that you don't sleep well, you put one drop of water. At one point, that glass is going to be full.
Mm-hmm. And then that drop.
Exactly. It's going to overflow. And when it overflows, everything in your life goes sideways, okay? You don't have the patience. You don't have the mental capacity of concentration. You're not happy.
Yeah.
And all you have to do is get a bed that fits you well, that you can say, I'm going to sleep, and you're actually going to go to sleep. It's not that difficult, by the way. For all the folks out there that have a very difficult and busy life, going to sleep should be the easiest thing that you do. Your body tells you you're tired, I need to lay down. Now, all you need to do is get the right surface to lay down on.
So that brings me to my next question. When you come to Texas Mattress Makers as a couple, what are the things that we can provide our customers that other people cannot provide?
Okay. Once again, I sleep on my back. I really sleep on my back. You sleep on your side.
Yeah.
Okay? So, can we be comfortable on the same surface? Yes. But if you like to sleep on your stomach, and I like to sleep on my back, there's no way you will be comfortable sleeping on a bed that I would be comfortable on, and there's no way I would sleep comfortably on a bed that you would be comfortable on. It's just physically and engineering-wise not possible, though most people don't think that way. You come to us, and let's say, just for the sake of discussion, you do sleep on your tummy.
Yeah.
Okay? Flat on your tummy. Right? So we make your side of the bed that you can sleep well on your tummy, and we make my side of the bed that I sleep well on my back. And guess what? It won't cost you $1 more because we manufacture everything anyway. So it doesn't cost us to go to the left and to the right instead of going to the right and to the left. It's the same dollar.
And a lot of people think that they would have to get two different mattresses,
Nope.
but we can actually do that in the same mattress.
You will never see the difference. You will never know the difference. You will feel the difference. When you'll go to sleep on your tummy, you'll sink in just a tad more than I would on my back.
But that's important for me sleeping on my tummy because I need that comfort layer.
Exactly. And then, there are reasons why that when you come here, we'll show you.
Yeah.
And you'll feel it.
And I think it's also important to say that even if you don't need a custom mattress that you just described, you still do need to be fit into a mattress by people who know what they're talking about.
I'm going to stop you right there. I don't like the word custom. Because custom people, it does something to people's head. We're going to fit you in the mattress that you need. And if you allow us to create the mattress that is perfect for you, that's not going to cost you a penny more.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're going to create the mattress for your stomach sleeping position and my back sleeping position.
Yeah, but not custom, but what I was trying to say is if
we'll fit you in a bed.
Yes, but you can find something on our floor. We don't have to get one that is
correct.
Perfect. And it helps when you're working with the experts who know how to fit you into the right mattress.
That is correct. People here that work here. So again, all right, you are shorter than I.
Just by a tad, right?
By a tad, yes. Sure is.
I am wearing.
Well, good. Look. Okay, now sit down. Okay. We have mattresses that are made with enough components.
Yeah.
Because you're shorter than I and you weigh less than I. Okay. That you will, for lack of a better way of putting it, radiate downward into the bed.
Yeah.
The way you're supposed to, the way your body weight distributes on the surface. And I will go down as much as I would need to go because of my body weight and the way it's distributed. Okay? Most folks think of weight when they stand up and they look at a scale and they look at the number. That's all your weight on 1 square foot. When you're laying down, okay, then it's a different distribution. Okay, sit up because I know you're going to fall asleep because it's almost Valentine's Day.
Almost the wedding, I'll be honest. This has nothing to do with my mattress, nothing to do with anything, but my sleep is a little off.
If you speak a little lower, we might hear the violins.
Oh, well, anyway, so it basically, sleep is super important for your relationships. You'll communicate better.
Sleep is the single most important thing for your relationship. If you are in a relationship for a while, you will understand what that means. Sleep is the most important thing for your health, mental health. Sleep is the most important thing for your diet.
And physical, yes. And come to Texas Mattress Makers, any of our locations, because we have a mattress for you, or we'll make one, like we just said, and we can help you live a better life.
And you will enjoy
your interpersonal relationships will thank you.
Doubtful, but you will enjoy it very much.
He just doesn't like the word, so I like to say
I have no idea what it means. Interpersonal relationship. I've been married to your mother for years. I never thought of it as interpersonal relationship.
Okay, thank you.
It's very personal, and sometimes you wish it wasn't. Concentrate.
Wait. Okay.
Concentrate.
Intergalactic. Okay. Sorry, just make sure I got my arms span.
Talk to the camera. Take a deep breath.
I don't know.
And don't scream in my ear.
You'll be talking a lot.
I don't like you today.
Secrets in the sauce.
That's right. That's how I keep my girlish figure. That's the secret in the sauce.